Hey, lovebirds, look, if you're going to upgrade their ring, upgrade their adventures as well. Let me show you how. Come here. Come here. Welcome to the Forest River Campsite Reserve 26RM. You're looking at 33 feet long, roughly 6,800 pounds dry, a couples coach that is highlighted by some rear entertaining and hanging out area, beautiful kitchen and spacious dining area, entertainment space with a little hidden specialty, and a bedroom and bathroom that I think you're going to be happy to call home. Let's start right back here in the rear of the 26RM. Picture you and your loved one, whether it's right after your wedding, going on your honeymoon in your RV in your space. Skip the hotels. Other people have been there. You could sit here on your first night, your 7,000th night. It doesn't matter. You're going to be surrounded by beautiful, large panoramic windows with pleated shades, wood valances, side skirting, and storage galore. The campsite reserves, which you can only get at Camping World, are storage kings, queens, princes, and paupers alike. Price of a pauper, space of a king. Check out, I got my European flat front style cabinet doors here. I have my cloth boxes to not only give me more storage options, but give me some organizational as well. And we didn't forget about the furry friends. You got a great spot for the pet bowls here underneath your bar top. It could also be a spot for your shoes as well if you don't have pets. You even got a spot for your trash can as you walk into your 26RM. You'll also notice you got your power panel right here. This is where you go to check your tanks, cut on your heated pads for your tanks if you're going through cold weather, as well as run out your super slide and your awning. The thing I'm a big fan of when it comes to campsite reserves is the residential approach that they've taken with the design, especially the square windows. For years, RVs have had these curved off windows. Don't know why, we just have. Now they're square because we've got square windows in our house. Come into the kitchen area, you'll see you got the L-shaped kitchen here with the pressed surface countertop, high-rise sprayer for your undermounted sink with the bamboo cutting board and drying rack. And look, if it's going to be your first night, maybe the honeymoon, you want to go and see the country. Then if all of a sudden you and your loved one want to have a drink, want to clean the glasses, watch yourself, got yourself a little glass washer there. Also doubles great for the babies when you want to wash the baby bottles. And you'll know you'll have no clean clothes if you have the babies. Oversized dinette on the off-camp side with oversized storage underneath as well. Plush and comfortable cloth seating too, which is going to help that sweat at night if you do have people sleeping here. Because the 26RM will sleep up to 5. But this is a great space for hanging out, enjoying those camp cooked meals, or just playing the board games, talking to each other, or enjoying the entertainment. Your kitchen also features an air fryer, 3-burner cooktop, and oversized Furion fridge, which is 12-volt, and French door. Absolutely love this, because not only is it functional and spacious, it looks good. Now, the 26RM also has a max vent fan over the kitchen. So if you are cooking the bacon for the loved one, that's going to help move about a foot of air per second. And all your drawers are oversized with solid wood, full extension drawer guides, and you even have a water filtration system on this beauty. Now, when it comes to chilling and hanging out, let me show you this entertainment space. Love it. I love square windows. Entertainment space of the 26RM, highlighted by the jackknife sofa and entertainment area with oversized TV, fireplace, and a secret. What am I talking about? Well, number one, that TV is bigger than probably the side of my house. Plus, I got an in-flame fireplace, roughly 4,000 BTUs of heat coming off of there. But check out what's behind my entertainment center. Your hidden pantry. Or it could just be your pantry because you see there's a big giant lock up top. But if you're like me, not that bright, you won't realize that there's a hidden pantry back there. The magnets do a good job of keeping it in place while it's in transit, but the lock makes sure that it stays in place while it's in transit. This is going to do a good job of knocking the chill off the air too. You do have a nice high output furnace, which you can see the ductwork right there. So there's no ductwork in the flooring, meaning there's no soft spots. And your bathroom, well, that's special too. Let me show you what I mean. Now, the bathroom of the 26RM is highlighted by not one, but 2 oversized medicine cabinets, some hangers, high-rise bowl with the foot flush, and a Roman-style shower with a knee wall. I don't even know what to call it. I've never seen anything like this. It's an open dancing shower. What do I mean by that? I like to sing when I'm in the shower anyway. Now I got a space. I can work on my moves, even do my high kicks. You just got to watch out for the water. Get you a nice big old rug. But the shower curtain does go all the way around. And you even have the knee wall right here that separates the shower from the toilet. And you'll notice too that your shower is the upgraded head on these two with the multi settings. I got me an entryway. So if I want to come and go, or we want to come back and get cleaned up from the beach on our honeymoon, or we've had this RV for a long time and now we had the kids and the kids can come and go as they please. I got a max vent fan to move the steam out. I got a vanity right here with the crescent moon bowl, oversized medicine cabinet here, oversized medicine cabinet over the bowl, and my own private entryway and a tankless water heater, not to mention some more storage if I need it. The space is different. Might not be right for everybody, but this is pretty cool when you think about it. Just watch for the splashing. Now let's check out our sanctuary. The other thing that I really like about the design of the 26RM is the primary suite, which is highlighted by king size bed and good storage. But more importantly for me, if you're a couple, this is your sanctuary. If you grow that emerging family and you start having the kids, this is also your separation of space because you got a nice open flow out here. Even the bathroom's got a nice open flow. You come back here, you're in your sanctuary. I got European style flat front on my cabinets. I have ward space here as well as storage space or grab and go spot there. King size bed with storage underneath. Cubby spots, reading lights with both blue and regular light. And we even have a surge protector over on the campsite to help protect our sensitive electronics with 110 as well as USB charging. What's cool about that is it's also inverted because your 26RM does come with a solar panel. Love everything about it. Upgrade the ring, upgrade the adventures. Newlyweds, been married for 50 years, got a family, thinking about a family, ain't got a family. I'm checking all the boxes in my head, but you tell me what you think. Leave me some comments down below. Now let's go check out the outside. Come on. Now the outside of your Forest River Campsite Reserve 26RM highlighted by beautiful, beautiful decor. I don't care what anybody says about that maroon and gray. I absolutely love it. Plus, you got an X9 chassis, got the 12-foot awning, and an outside kitchen. Yes, an outside kitchen on a couple's coach. Why? Because they know this is for the couple that's going to be growing that family. Why not just go ahead and take care of everything in one fell swoop? Now, up front, powered tongue jack with twin 20-pound LP tanks behind it. Got the battery rail as well as your disconnect. You'll also see that Superflex roof going over the top. I got my diamond-plated rock guard down here to help the debris and stuff not mess up my beautiful campsite reserve. All seated on the X9 chassis. Now, this is actually really cool. Sure, it's powder coated, it's oversized, it's a great support for the coach, but more importantly, it's rated for over 2,000 hours of salt exposure. Go ahead and take it to the beach. You'll be fine. Now, on the campsite, you'll see the square windows with that almost metallic reflective coating on the windows. That serves a purpose of A, it does look pretty good. B, I can check and make sure my eyebrows don't look like woolly worms. And C, it's also going to help keep that coach a little bit cooler. Now, your luggage door is oversized, magnetic, as well as having the hangers down here. You'll see your solar charge controller for your solar panel up top. Love the fact they have hangers everywhere along with the square windows. Finished off, there's that timber core construction. You even have a coating on your aluminum siding here that's going to help with the graphics. They're not going to like fade over time. It also, believe it or not, because of the coating that's on there and how thick it is, that's going to help a little bit with the temperature control. Heated and enclosed underbelly, power stab jacks, steel fold-up steps leading me into my tempered door here in the bathroom, 12-foot awning with LED light strip, an outside kitchen with the griddle. Love these because it's coated, but you'll also see you have the grill rack on there too. So if you want to do the bacon in the morning or the bacon and the burgers for lunch, you got the option there. Tire pressure monitoring on your wheels. Love this because that's the number one cause of accidents in RVs is tire blowouts. Now you also see you got the red drum discs on these, easy lube axles. Love the aluminum rims that's on here too. My driven exterior speakers with my palm mount, meaning if you want to take that big giant TV from inside and bring it outside, you can. It just gives you the option. You don't have to buy multiple TVs. Solid steps leading into the main entry. power stab jacks, Bluetooth observation camera already on your campsite reserve, as well as ladder prep, plus the arch ceilings are going to help me with that rain, that snow, keep it off of there, and the rain nozzles are going to make sure it doesn't fall on me, you, or our slide. And speaking of our slide, check out the cable-driven slide that you have right here. 30 amp power right there. This might be a little tight to get through, so we're going to try. And no. But from right here, you can see your main terminations. That's really what I wanted to show you. And your campsite reserve has a 52-gallon fresh tank on it and 38-gallon gray, 38-gallon black. But as you can see, your terminations there, as well as your outside shower and the back of your tankless water heater, as well as your fresh tank fill and your city water connection. Plus the info panels over there. That's where you go to see how much does that coach weigh. So for example, this one is 64.88 dry, but 79.20 for gross. What does that mean? Well, that's the difference in how much cargo carrying capacity you have. But you take that information to your specialist at Camping World and you say, hey, here's what we're towing with. Here's where we're going to go camping. Here's how many people we're going to sleep. We get that info. We'll find the RV of your dreams every time. Not worried about it. But for the couple, you've been thinking about upgrading that ring? Upgrade the adventures as well. 33 feet, 64.88 dry. Can sleep maybe 5. If they're smaller, the jackknife sofa, I'm going to say 1. The booth dinette, you could probably get 2 in there. King size bed. But really a couples coach that's designed for upgraded adventures, enjoying each other's company, but also being able to enjoy the family that you're going to grow. I don't know of another RV that's set up like that. And especially with that bathroom the way it is, it's pretty sweet, dude. And with the calling card features of storage, amenities, build, quality, everything you're going to get inside the campsite reserve, go down to your local Camping World or rv.campingworld.com and say, hey, show me the 26RM. Let's check this bad boy out. And leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you think of the 26RM? Where are you going to take it? Would you change anything? Would you like, would you not like? Because I love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify. That just helps us out. And plus, you'll be the first one to get it when we kick one of these out. You never know. RV your dreams might be waiting for you when you get home from work. Right? What's the harm in it? Maybe a cramp in your finger? I don't know. I'm Chris Young. Love you. Bye.